The 2025 Lucid Air Sapphire is here, and it's redefining what an all-electric luxury performance sedan can be. This isn't just another high-end EV, it's an absolute powerhouse that takes on the best in the industry with cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping performance, and an ultra-premium experience. Lucid Motors has once again pushed the envelope, blending elegance with mind-blowing speed in a way that few manufacturers dare to attempt. Get ready to dive deep into what makes the Lucid Air Sapphire one of the most exhilarating and sophisticated electric vehicles on the market. Exterior. The first thing you notice about the Lucid Air Sapphire is its presence. From the moment it comes into view, the sleek, aerodynamic design makes it stand out. At the front, the ultra-slim micro-lens array headlights stretch seamlessly across the car's width, giving it a futuristic yet aggressive look. The sculpted hood, with subtle yet effective airflow management, reduces drag and enhances performance. The air intakes are strategically placed for cooling, ensuring that every bit of power is backed by efficiency. Moving to the side, the Lucid Air Sapphire maintains its ultra-smooth and refined profile. The signature curved roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, giving the car a coupe-like silhouette despite its sedan proportions. The frameless windows add to the clean, uninterrupted look, while the massive 20-inch front and 21-inch rear wheels give it a bold stance. Those wheels aren't just for aesthetics, they're wrapped in high-performance tires, designed to maximize grip and stability. The Sapphire exclusive aerodynamic side skirts and unique badging further set it apart from the standard Lucid Air models. At the rear, the light bar stretches across the entire width, creating a striking visual effect, especially at night. The integrated spoiler subtly enhances downforce, while the rear diffuser optimizes airflow to reduce turbulence at high speeds. The lack of traditional exhaust outlets reinforces its all-electric nature, but the Sapphire badging ensures everyone knows this isn't just any Lucid Air, it's the ultimate performance variant. Interior. Step inside the 2025 Lucid Air Sapphire, and you're greeted with an interior that blends modern sophistication with race-inspired elements. The moment you open the doors, the cabin feels like a futuristic lounge, wrapped in premium materials and state-of-the-art technology. The sports seats, exclusive to the Sapphire model, are bolstered for high-speed cornering yet remain incredibly comfortable for long drives. They're upholstered in a unique blend of Alcantara, leather, and sustainable materials, offering a mix of luxury and performance. The dashboard is dominated by Lucid's signature floating 34-inch glass cockpit display, providing crisp digital instrumentation and seamless infotainment controls. The center console houses a secondary touchscreen for climate controls and additional vehicle settings, ensuring a streamlined and distraction-free driving experience. The ultra-premium audio system, tuned specifically for the Sapphire, delivers an immersive sound experience, making every journey feel cinematic. Ambient lighting, customizable to match your mood, adds another layer of exclusivity to the cabin. With spacious rear seats and a massive front and trunk, practicality isn't sacrificed in the pursuit of performance. Performance under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor of the Lucid Air Sapphire, packs an astonishing amount of power. This beast is powered by a tri-motor setup, delivering a jaw-dropping 1,234 horsepower and an earth-shattering 1,430 pounds-to-feet of torque. That translates to mind-bending acceleration, with 0 to 60 miles per hour happening in an estimated 1.89 seconds, making it one of the quickest production sedans ever built. The quarter-mile time, a blistering 8.95 seconds. It's not just about straight-line speed, though the Sapphire features advanced torque vectoring, ensuring precise handling and cornering dynamics that rival some of the best supercars in the world. The battery pack, designed with Lucid's latest technology, provides an estimated range of 427 miles on a single charge. That means you're not just getting hypercar performance here, you're getting the efficiency and practicality to make it a daily driver. Fast charging capabilities allow you to regain up to 200 miles of range in just 12 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime on road trips. With an advanced adaptive air suspension system, the Lucid Air Sapphire offers the perfect balance of comfort and performance, adapting to road conditions in real time. All this performance and luxury come at a price. and the Lucid Air Sapphire is positioned as a top-tier contender in the luxury of space. With an estimated starting price of around $249,000, it's not for the faint of heart. But when you consider the level of engineering, innovation, and sheer driving exhilaration packed into this machine, it becomes clear that this is more than just a car, it's an experience. A rival to the Tesla Model S Plaid, Porsche Taycan Turbo GT, and even high-performance gas-powered sedans, the Sapphire offers a unique blend of electrification, refinement, and brute force. So, is the 2025 Lucid Air Sapphire the ultimate electric performance sedan? It certainly makes a strong case for itself. With cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and performance that leaves even some supercars in the dust, this is a vehicle that redefines what's possible in the EV world. Whether you're looking for an ultra-fast grand tourer, a track-capable electric beast, or simply one of the most luxurious and advanced cars on the planet, the Lucid Air Sapphire delivers in every category. This is more than just a statement, it's a revolution in motion. If this is the future of performance electric cars, we're in for one hell of a ride.